Okay, Rex, today Babe made some jerk chicken rice salad. So what we have here is some already cooked yellow rice. We're gonna add some chopped tomato, some onions, cucumbers, bell peppers, orange, green, and red. Here we have some chickpeas and black beans. Put it in the middle right there. Add some more. We're gonna give this a little stir. Rex, when you hear me drooling, alright, so pretty. And we're gonna add some arugula. And give that a stir. Rex, look at this beauty. Oh my. Alright. On that, we're gonna add some jerk chicken breast that Babe stirred up in the oven. And we're gonna just place them. Ooh, Rex, tell me something. Do you wanna eat or what? Let's go to the video.
Hey Rex.
Hey Rex.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jay. Please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
And I am Trent. Make sure you like, comment, share. Listen, whatever you see, it's okay for you to share it. Also turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. Give this video a thumbs up for this jerk chicken rice salad we are about to consume. Yeah, jerk chicken rice salad.
Yeah. If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. Let's say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. This is about the end of the weekend, and I hope you had a blast. And how are you guys doing?
Did we say grace?
Yes.
That's the thing, okay.
We always boil down to did we say grace. But I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. On the menu today.
Baby whipped together jerk chicken
rice
salad.
Okay, there you go.
I can't even remember. Jerk chicken rice salad. Listen, guys, this is such a beauty. I cannot. All the colors came together so perfectly. But I want to see. The question is,
the taste
did all the ingredients come together perfectly? So let's see.
Yeah. I really didn't season anything. I kept everything pretty fresh.
So here we go.
How is it? Oh, I like the crunch. I like that crunch you got. Yeah?
It came together, Jay.
Yeah? Okay.
So Babe made we made a lemon sauce. Taste the lemon sauce, no? I give it a sourish but
it's a nice
flavorful.
Oh wow.
Okay, guys. Over here we have just some regular
French
dressing, sorbet. It's sorbet.
Came out better than I thought. I want to ask you guys, Rax. What kind of growth do you think you had during quarantine, starting from the year 2020? Self-growth. I mean, if you have any self-growth, because it goes to the topic that we're going to speak on today. So I'm just asking. If you have, you could comment down below. Ooh, I'm having a piece of jerk chicken. Ooh. Alright, topic for today is how do you handle your spouse's growth? Taste it with the chicken.
Hold on.
Oh my.
Put some here, baby. So, how I handle babe's growth. I mean, if you love somebody, it's easy to support them. Why you look at me like that?
No, because I'm not saying no. I'm not saying no.
When you love someone, it's easy to support them. Like, you cannot say you genuinely love somebody and don't know how to support their growth, whether it's good growth or bad growth. You just gotta support it. Sometimes put yourself on the back burner to, you know, what do you call it? Acknowledge your spouse's growth.
Okay, but all right. What if you have a problem where, as in, you're having a difficulty seeing that person's growth? Like, you're used to the person being one way for so long, them growing. It's not a bad thing, but it's hard.
Right, I'm over here pushing away babe hand after babe trying to help me. I'm over here. When she finishes, I'm pushing her hand like, go.
Yeah, so what if you have a difficulty, right? Because they're used to the person being one way, and you have a difficulty seeing them know in the light that they're presenting themselves to be. Not that it's a bad thing. I mean, growth is never a bad thing depending on the kind of
You're
growth
seeing
that
them
you're
in the
having.
past light?
Yeah, in the past light. How you handle such a situation. Right? Because I know I've had the tendency of seeing you in the past light multiple times.
The thing about it is, if you live in the past, you will miss the present and forget about the future.
I agree.
So, even though it's hard not to see a person in the light that they're showing you right now, but in the past light, it's better to see them in the light that they're showing you right now, because in the past they could be a mischievous person, a liar, and now they're showing you that they're not. They're this kind of way. You feel me?
I mean, I agree with you. I do. Living in the past can never be a good thing. But it tends to be difficult for people.
It is difficult.
I'm not even gonna lie about it.
It is difficult, but do you want a future spouse or you want a past spouse? I rather have somebody that grow, you know, because growth is inevitable. And if you can step aside and acknowledge your partner's growth, appreciate it, because when your partner gets better, it also allows you to get better.
I mean, it's not that you're gonna. It's not that you're deliberately trying to block the person's growth or anything like that. It's just, it's difficult. It's hard when they've been one way for years. So it's just extremely difficult to accept the fact that, I mean, especially if they've been one way with things that bother you for years, and yet you keep asking and talking about it, and then finally they do it, you know, and then I'm sitting there like, okay, you do it. How long is this gonna last for? Okay, we'll see.
I get what you're saying too, but it's kind of like benefit of the doubt.
And trust, I guess.
Yeah. Trust do play a major part. But how do you handle my growth?
I try to learn it. I mean, as you grow, it's a lot. I'm sorry. But it is a lot.
Through the years, you never let me down.
So, I just have to learn as I go when it comes to year growth. It's just
Yo, you said
teach
it like
me. No.
yo. You said it like yo, right? She said it like yo.
No, you're teaching me as I go. I don't know. Some of your growth is hard, especially if I can't relate to it. And then it makes it extremely hard.
Jay, I like the fact that you're coming
No,
out.
I'm just no. I'm just no.
I like the fact that you're coming out.
No. I'm just saying. No.
So
But-
which growth?
I can't say specifically. And we could talk about it privately if you would prefer.
Well, you shouldn't have brought it up.
No, but the learning process. And I think everything when it comes to growth though is a learning process. Like there's a lot of patience that comes with it. And a lot of understanding that has to come with it.
Definitely.
And a lot of I'm going to trust that what you're saying to me right now is what it is. So yeah, more like that.
What I'm seeing right now.
That too.
Growth, you cannot end the growth. So whether it takes you now or tomorrow, next week, next year, whatever, you can't end it. My thing is, if you love a person, though, you see, I always preach love.
I know.
If you love a person, because love is capable of many things. Love can accept many things. You will grow with the person if it's good growth, you know. And you know good growth.
Oh, very much so.
So when I see you growing, so you've transformed over the many years.
I mean, so have you. Some for the good, and I'm not sure. Questioning some of them. I'm just saying.
Y'all don't fool with Jay.
I don't know. I thought I'd be honest about it.
Listen, we tear this up, Jay. Look, you've run a lot over the years. When I do wrong, when I see you do this, I look, watch, listen, and learn. And some of your growth are extraordinary growth. So,
I agree. I always say with you that I could always learn something. I'm not sure what it is, but I always do learn something while you're growing, and I always enjoy learning that with you at the same time.
the bottom line is, I support Jody's growth without being selfish, and
Self-centered and
I just love her. Just love her. Love her with the good, the bad, the growth, the ugly growth, the good growth, the new growth. I just
Yeah.
love her.
And I support by just being patient and having an open mind to learn something and to understand something different and maybe something new. So I think that's always a good way to go into growth with your spouse. So comment down below what your growth has been, and if you have grown, and how are you dealing with your spouse's growth if they have grown, and have you seen any growth in your spouse? That's a lot of comments.
I've seen a lot of growth in you over the pandemic.
I know.
Oh
That's
my.
what I'm saying. During this time,
There
I'm
was
pretty
a growth
sure.
that made me want to kill you.
I know. At one point, I did not want to be around you. But I learned to deal with it. You know? I learned to deal with it.
True
So.
love, understanding, patience, trust. Yeah.
Yeah, all that good stuff.
And just understand that your partner needs is not your need. Their growth is their growth. And it's necessary for them, for their journey.
Yeah.
For them to grow. So
You could either support or step away. But you should never hinder someone else's growth. So with that being said, this food was so delicious. This is our first time doing a rice salad, and the jerk chicken breast on top of it was the perfect meat to have. So if you get the chance and you do want to have something really, really different, colorful and different, this is it.
Y'all don't believe me? I'm gonna show you how good this was. Wait a minute. Wait, let me get this last bite. Baby, you just watch me today.
Yeah, this is not new.
Okay. Man, babe, it's almost done. That's how good it was.
It was good though. I really, really liked it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always supporting us. Thank you guys for always commenting. If you made it this far, please don't forget to subscribe to us if you have not yet subscribed, and also to share this video out to your friends and family and loved ones.
Listen, guys.
Thank you guys.
Growth is good. Growth is inevitable. Just let it happen. This is where we'll leave you. Until we meet again, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Listen, guys, put laughter in your life. Smile. It will light it up. Bye,
Bye, guys.